Welcome to the Solvemeet tutorial on how to create a client profile. First, start at the Solvemeet homepage. Click on the Login button. A login box will appear, but before you can log in, you need to register. Click on Register. A registration form will open. Enter your name, email, and password. Next, click Register to proceed. You will receive a one-time password via email. Enter the OTP to verify your account. Once the verification is successful, use your email and password to log in. After logging in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Now your profile is successfully created. Thank you for joining Solvemeet.